So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to easily add sources to your Streamlabs. It could be display source, game capture, audio capture, or window, or entire display. Let's see how to do it. First of all, make sure you have installed the Streamlabs desktop on your PC and launch the Streamlabs desktop, and then you get this interface. First of all, come to the scene section. If you added multiple scenes, then you have to select the exact scene in which scene you want to add new source. Once you selected the scene, come to this source section. Here you get this plus icon. Add a new source to your scene, includes widgets. So to add new source, click on this plus icon, and here select all sources, and here you will find all available sources that you can add to your Streamlabs. If you want to find out a specific source, you can use this search box. So let's add here the game capture source, clicking on add source. If you want, you can rename the game capture source and click on add source. And now click on mode drop down, and here you can select capture specific window, and then click on this window drop down and select the window or game that you want to add to your Streamlabs and click on close, and then open the game and then open Streamlabs, and we can see the game successfully added as a source. Now let's see how to add a window source. Again, click on this plus icon, and this time come to capture and sources section. Here you will find browser source, display capture, window capture, game capture. So to capture a window, select window capture, then click on add source and click on add source, and here click on this window drop down and select the specific window that you want to add to your Streamlabs and click on done. And now let's see how to add a pre-recorded video as a source. So click on this plus icon to create a new source, and here under essential, select media file, and we can see all supported files. Click on add source, click on add source, and here click on browse, and then from your computer you can select a pre-recorded video to add to your Streamlabs, and then you can just click any of these white dot to resize your video. And now let's see how to add audio sources. So click on this plus icon and come to video and audio section. If you want to add a audio input capture, then select audio input capture, click on add source, click on add source, and here under audio input capture, click on this device drop down and select your microphone, and then click on close. And to add our audio output capture device, again click on this plus icon. From video and audio section, select audio output capture, click on add source, and from audio output capture, click on device drop down and select your output device. And that's how you can actually add sources to our Streamlabs. Thanks for watching.